All right, now we'll touch on the Matrix Treadmills, which are a heavier duty, big step up from any residential, purely residential piece, because these are still residential treadmills, but they are, Matrix also makes commercial grade treadmills, which what that translates to is some commercial parts on there. So overall, these three have the 30 model, the 50 model in the middle, and then the 75, third one down there. All of them have an inch thick running board, which is that commercial size. Now, once you get into the surface, that's where these will vary. The T30 or TF30, it comes in two models. The 30 model is 20 by 55 inch running surface. 50 is the 20 by 60 inch, and then the T75, you're gonna have 22 inches wide by the 60 inch running surface. As far as the motor goes, you got a 3-horse DC Johnson motor on the 30, a 3 1/4 on the 50 model, still DC. The 75, which makes it a bigger, beefier piece, is a 3-horse, but it's an AC commercial grade motor on that. So then you get into what are the differences on the 30 to 50 and 75. So you can see right off the bat, the side rails are plastic on the 30. You got aluminum on the 50 and the 75. The change of speed and incline, so on all treadmills, incline is going to be on your left, speed's going to be on your right. So you see on this one, it does have the flush just plastic coating on that. Those can wear thin pretty easily. What you get on the 50 and 75, raised plastic, heavier duty. On the speed and incline, again, same way as on the 75. On all the models, you do have the contact heart rate. Depending on the console, which I'll go into a different video on that, because Matrix has console options on there. Some of them come with a heart rate strap. All of them have the capability of that, of the usage of the heart rate strap. So on the 30 and the 50, which are again very good models, you can either get them in a fold-up option. These are the fold-up options here, where you see they have the rails on the side, or they come in a non-fold-up option. The 75, again, that commercial grade piece is going to be purely non-folding. Most commercial pieces are non-folding. So as I talked about, the thickness of the running deck on each of these are an inch thick. They also all have, which is the benefit of having a commercial manufacturer as well, they have commercial grade shocks, which benefit in the wear and tear of these things. It helps out with the maximum weight limit to a certain degree. The T30, TF30 is going to be 350. The 50 and the 75 models are going to be 400-pound maximum weight unit usage on that. Still very substantial even on the 30 model. What else can we talk about here? You're going to have a little bit heavier duty tread that you're running on the 50 and 75. Still very good on the 30. The warranty on these will make a difference. The 30 models, whether it's the folding or non-folding, is going to be 5 years on the parts, 2 years labor. 50 and 75, you are at 7 years on the parts with the same 2 years labor. All of them are going to be lifetime on the frame and motor of that. Get a little bit better incline on the 50 and 75, where it goes up to 15%. The 30 goes to 12%. Your speed on all of them is going to be the same, going up to 12.5 miles per hour. Again, very good pace if you're looking to do more speed work on them. And if you are doing speed work, I would recommend going to the longer model, the 50 and the 75 on that. And I think that's about it. We're going to talk about the where you're going to get into the differences on the consoles, because you have even more options available to you.